Hello everybody, welcome back to the Burax Loft. I wanted to thank all the subscribers out there for coming back to the channel, and also want to thank all the new subscribers out there for coming to the channel. So hello everybody, I just kind of want to give you a little update what's going on in the loft here. So as you can see, as you come in the loft here, see, here's the daddy. The mom was sitting right there, the one right on the edge there. And then there are two babies. You got one white one, looks like, and then one, I'm not sure if it's going to be a dark check or what color it's going to be, but yeah, kind of curious here how he turns out. So, but anyways, I also wanted to give you a little update. I've been banding a few birds in here, so I had a luxury of my brother coming down yesterday and helped me band a few birds for me. So anyways, those two there still haven't laid any eggs yet. I did find one broken egg on the floor here a couple days ago, and I'm not sure if it was from them or if it's from the two down there. Okay, remember I took these guys' egg, or their chick, and put it up with these two up here. Okay, you can see in here. And then, as you can see here, I banded these guys today. You get one white one, and then one, of course, looks just like mom and dad, which is kind of cool. So I told you that's when I kind of colored the feet on them. So, but they're sitting on babies. Hang on. Yep. See? They're sitting on babies. We got babies in there. There's eggs down there. And there's eggs down here. Okay. Push her back over. There we go. And these guys. And these guys up here. These off them two red ones there. So. And she still only got the one egg, so, but they're all fertile in here, so, which is good. They're all nervous right now because I'm in here. Usually they go outside and I kind of block the outside, that way I can kind of show you some of the parents, what they look like. So, but overall, pretty good in here. I scrape the poop as much as I can. It's still colder than heck up here. Well, it was up actually in the 30s for a little few days, and I got it nice and clean in here. Of course, you know how that goes. It freezes the next day and you can't get all the poop off. So, but anyways, overall, turned out pretty good. I'll bring the other loft and show you the update and how things are going in there. So, see, that one there is doing pretty good. You look nice and lively. Some guys down there looking good. Everybody's getting bigger. I abandoned those guys. Abandoned these guys here. Except for this one here. It's still a lot smaller, but his crop's full, which is a good thing. I was actually thinking about putting this one, the smaller one, with that one down there. They're pretty close to the same size. So, as you can see here, I put those two together. They're almost identical in size. See that? As long as I can identify them, I might just do that. See if them parents will take care of the other one. This is good. So, see what happens. And we got these two up here, and they're doing pretty good too. Everybody's doing really good in here. But so I just wanted to give you a little update. In the Ceon Loft, I have two pairs that had babies in there. They're doing pretty good too, which is good. These guys down here just got done, are still eating here, so I didn't get a chance cleaning here very well. So anyways, hope you liked the little update. So please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.